This is the Chrome Key Accent for the GL1800, but warning, it can disable your bike. But stay tuned and I will show you a way of how to fix it. Hello, welcome to Shinywing. Today we are going to look at the Chrome Key Accent for the GL1800. It comes in two different models, the 01 to 05 and the 06 to 17. Now this is a nice little accent to put onto the dash of your bike, but the only problem if you're driving a European bike, which most of us are, this will actually disable your bike. Now there is a very easy way of fixing it. So if you follow me down to the workshop, I will show you how it's done. Hello and welcome back. Now this is the accessory that we're looking at today. Now the problem with this item is that it will actually disable your bike if it's a European bike and has hits on it, which most of you would probably already have. Now I'll just give you a quick demonstration to explain, to show you exactly what happens. So as you can see, bike starts up fine, no problem. So we put on the accessory. It's easy enough one to put on or take off, whichever the case may be. Now it looks nice on the dash and it does brighten up that bit, but the only problem you have now is when you go to start your bike, the bike won't start. So as promised at the start of the video, I'll now show you a way of sorting it out and fixing it. Now some people I have heard if you scrape the chrome off the back of it, it will actually sort it out. I don't know, I've never actually tried that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to cut off this rim a bit, and by cutting that down it will actually enable the signal from the key to go through into the receiver for the hiss. Now we'll go in and do that now. Now what you're going to use to cut it will depend on what you have handy for yourself. You can use a hacksaw. I've actually used an angle grinder at one stage. Now this is a small handy little tool that I have. So what we'll just do is cut that piece off. Now as we've got the inner ring all cut back, if you reinstall it, and it doesn't make any difference to how it looks, you wouldn't even notice that's been done. Key. And there. And the bike starts away fine and you'll never have any issue with it again. If by any chance it doesn't restart, just keep edging, filing away part of it until the bike is constantly starting. Thank you for joining us today and I hope you found this video useful. If you enjoyed the video, please press the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Hope to see you again soon.